Verify De Morgan's law. A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Now take set U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Take set A is equal to 2, 3, 5 and set B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Now here set A is subset of set U and B is also subset of set U. Now we want to verify De Morgan's law. A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So first we want to determine left hand side A intersection B complement. First we want to determine A intersection B. Now A want to collect all x such that x present in set A and set B. So A intersection B is equal to here 3 and 5 numbers are common in set A and B. So A intersection B complement is equal to collection of all x such that which is not present, which does not belongs in A intersection B but belongs in set U. So it is what 1, 2, 4, then 5 is present in A intersection B. So 6, 7 and 8. So this is what left hand side A intersection B complement. Now on the RHS we want to determine A complement union B complement. So A complement is equal to 1, 4, 6, 7 and 8. Similarly B complement is equal to 2, 4, 6 and 8. So A complement union B complement. Now to find union, want to collect numbers such that or elements such that which are present in at least one of the set A complement or B complement. So it is what 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 and 8. So from this set and from this set we can say that A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Now we are going to verify this result by using Venn diagram. So consider set U and consider set A So suppose this is set A, set B, set U. Now first we want to determine LHS. So on the LHS we want to determine A intersection B complement, A intersection B. So first we want to determine A intersection B. So this part is A intersection B. This part is A intersection B. A intersection B. Now we want to determine A intersection B complement. So again so this is what set, consider again set A. So this is set A, this is set B, this is universal set U. Then A intersection B complement is this part is A intersection B complement. Okay. Now this is what LHS. We can, I am writing here A intersection B complement. Now we want to determine RHS. Again, consider this is set A. Again, if we consider this is set A, set B, this is universal set U. Now on the RHS we want to determine A complement union B A complement union B complement. So first we want to determine A complement. So A complement is, this is the A complement, this part is A complement. This part is A complement. Now similarly we want to determine B complement. So the B complement is, so this is set A, set B, and this is universal set. Then B complement is, this is the B complement, this part is B complement. So now we want to determine A complement union B complement. So if we suppose this is set A, set B, this is universal set U. Now from these two diagram, Venn diagram, you can verify that only in A union B, A complement union B complement does not contain this part. Okay, so A union B complement is, A complement union B complement is, sorry, this is what A complement union B complement. So here now from this two Venn diagram, A intersection B complement and A, this part, this is what A complement union B complement. From this two diagram we can say that A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Thank you.